Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Kent County in central Delaware, Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for a line extending from near Charlestown to 6 miles west of Newtown to near Gibson Island, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in southern New Jersey, central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, power loss is possible. Clayton, Oakland, Delaware City, Ridgely, Rock Hall, Newport, Churchill, on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by a thunderstorm close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties: